Hello and welcome to Adventures in Retouching. I'm Rob DiCaterino. Thanks for stopping by. What is Adventures in Retouching? What is this channel? This is a fun, casual, informal talk show. I mean, look, I'm outside, there's birds chirping, there's airplanes, there's lawnmowers. This is not broadcast TV, but my guests and I are having fun, casual, informal conversations, but very informative and valuable and useful and helpful conversations. We are professional working photo retouchers and post-production artists. We are industry insiders, we're experts, we're veterans, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to help share that knowledge with you. I'm here to help share our experiences with you. Whether you're a college or art school graduate trying to figure out what your next step is, well, there's this thing called retouching, and it's an option. It's a career path, so my guests and I discuss that. Or whether you're a professional retoucher already and looking to advance in your own career, well, my guests and I discuss that too. So we do these fun Zoom calls every Monday. I have a new guest here on the YouTube channel. And what do we discuss? We discuss our backgrounds, our career paths, how we got into retouching, how we advanced in our careers and got to where we are. What are the right tools? What's the right setup? What do you need to learn? What do you need to know? What do you need to focus on? Maybe things you don't need to focus on. What you should have on your resume, what you should have on your website and in your portfolio. What it's like working in a photo studio, what it's like working in a team, what it's like collaborating across studio teams. So all of these things, all these expectations, the pace, the quality, efficiency, how to be a successful retoucher, how to get your foot in the door, and how to advance along a career path in retouching. If you are an industry veteran, if you're an expert retoucher, please get in touch with me. Go to adventuresinretouching.com. I would love to hear from you, and let me know if you want to be a guest on the show. Let me know if you want to write a feature for the website. I would love to have that, and I would love to hear from you. If you're someone who's learning, if you're someone who's interested or just trying to figure things out, again, come back every Monday, every week, keep watching. We have this YouTube channel. We also have the shows in audio form. So we're on Apple Podcasts, we're on Google Podcasts, we're on Spotify. So we have the video show, we have the audio version of the show, and we have features on the website as well. So adventuresinretouching.com. If you're someone still learning and interested, also get in touch with me. Leave comments on the videos. Email me. Get in touch with me. Ask. I'm here to help. If you want me to look at your resume, if you want me to look at your website and your portfolio, critique some of your work, if you have questions, ask. I'm here to help you. So again, I'm Rob DiCaterino. This is Adventures in Retouching. Check back every week. Check back soon. I love seeing you. Keep learning, keep growing, keep being awesome. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.